The third important compound of calcium is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is occurring in nature in various forms, such as limestone, which is its principal form, marble, chalk, etc. Marble is the form of calcium carbonate. Chalk is also the form of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is found in nature in the various forms. How it is prepared in the laboratory? Calcium hydroxide is treated with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate. Calcium chloride is reacting with sodium carbonate to form calcium carbonate. These two are simple methods to prepare calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is white fluffy powder. It is fluffiness what? Adding water, it evolves. That is, the air bubbles are produced. That is white colored fluffy powder. It is almost insoluble in water. That is not soluble in water. So it is adding water, it thickens. That is why it is a fluffy powder, which is not soluble in water. Calcium carbonate on heating above 1200 Kelvin, it produces and releases carbon dioxide gas. And calcium carbonate even reacting with mild acids like HCl and H2SO4, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid, it gives corresponding salts with the liberation of carbon dioxide gas. So calcium carbonate, when reacts with HCl, it forms calcium chloride and liberates carbon dioxide gas. Calcium carbonate reacts with sulfuric acid, it gives calcium sulfate and liberates carbon dioxide gas. Uses: it is useful in the building material as the marble. When it is mixed with MgCO3, magnesium carbonate, it is used as flux in the extraction of metallurgy of metals like iron. Extracting iron by the blast furnace, it is used as a flux. The specially precipitated calcium carbonate is useful in the preparation of high quality of paper, and even it is useful as mild abrasive in the toothpaste. It is useful as antacid for the medicines of acidity. It is even useful as a constituent of chewing gums and useful in the cosmetic products as a filler material.